Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another unboxing video. Today, we finally got our hands on the Echo Studio. As you can see, it's pretty big. This is the front of the box. It's the features. Basically an advert. Things it does. What it works with. Alright, let's get started. As you can see, this thing is really big. It's also pretty heavy. First impression, it's wrapped in a bag. It's like a carry bag. We'll look in the box later. This is a felt bag that it's in. This is really heavy. As you can see, this is the bottom. Let's face it this way. This is the back. I guess this is the back and the other one was the front. Looks like there's a auxiliary port, power port, and a micro USB port. And this is the top. Must be the mute button, volume buttons, and the action buttons. As you can see, using my hand for guide, it's bigger than my hand. Let's go back to the box. Power cord. That's all it came with. Important information, terms and policies. Just basic information on the FCC compliance and recycling it. This must be the start guide. Yep. Telling you how to set it up. On the back, things for you to try with it. Oh yes, I did hear that it had the Zigbee home thing built into it, making it nice and easy to add smart devices. Well, that's our very big Echo Studio. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys next time.